Hi, my name is Madalina and in today's video I will talk about how to buy or sell in bundles on Vinted. If you don't know what a bundle is, it's a listing that includes multiple items for a set price. All the items are sent in one parcel and this way the buyer saves money on shipping and the seller, well, sells more items. There are two ways to sell in bundles on Vinted. First one, you can create a separate listing for a set of items, or second one, the buyer can create a separate listing from your wardrobe by creating a bundle for themselves. Let's talk about the first one. But first I will move over here so I can put here screenshots and some videos that will help you understand what I'm saying. If you're a seller and you want to create your own bundle, there are some rules that you need to keep in mind. The first rule is that you cannot upload an item more than once. So if you uploaded an item in a bundle, you cannot upload it again in another bundle or as a separate item. The second rule is that the first picture that the people should see in a bundle is a picture with all the items, and then you can post separate pictures with the other items. But the first picture, it shouldn't be a collage of pictures, it should be all the items next to each other or on you wearing it. The third rule is that you can make a bundle of maximum 5 items, and of course you have to choose the correct size for the package. So you have to put the size for all 5 items together, not separate. The fourth rule is that you have to set the price for everything as a whole, not the price for each item separate. The fifth rule is that you have to make it clear in the title that you are selling all the items as a bundle and not separate, and be precise in the description. And the sixth rule, which is the last one, you have to choose a category for your bundle that fits the main item of the bundle, and you can choose what's the main item. So for example, if you are selling a bundle that includes a t-shirt and a skirt and some socks, let's throw in some socks. So the main category is not going to be socks, obviously, but you can choose if it's a t-shirt category or a skirt category. It's that easy. Or if you are selling, for example, 5 t-shirts in a bundle, of course the category will be t-shirts. It is really important to respect all these rules because Vinted is checking all the listings, and if you do not respect one of these rules, they are gonna hide your bundle so no one will see it. And if you continue doing this multiple times, like not respecting rules, they can temporarily block your account. So keep in mind all these 6 rules, they're not that many, and then you don't get blocked or... And now I will show you how to create a bundle on a phone, but it's the same on a computer, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so I have my laptop here, so I will just read from it because I do not remember how I did this and what's the point in knowing it by heart. But I will put here a screen recording so you can see what I'm saying. Okay, you have to go to the sell button, upload pictures with the outfit as a first picture and add extra pictures with the items separate. Set the title as outfit bundle, skirt and t-shirt, select the category, the correct size of all the items as a whole, and the price that you want for the outfit, and done. The buyer can just buy it from you like they buy other items. And now let's talk about the second option, and here I will talk about the seller perspective and the buyer perspective. You know what I mean. So if you're a seller and a buyer made their own bundle from your wardrobe, you will be asked to approve this bundle and to set the correct size for the parcel. After, they can just press buy and buy it, and then you can just respect the shipping rules like you would normally do for a single item, and I have a separate video about that. I will insert it right here so you can see, and in the description down below. And for bundles that people can do on their own from your wardrobe, you can set a bundle discount. You can find this if you go to your profile, choose bundle discount from the listing, and then you can set separate discounts that you want. So you can choose from 2, 3 or 5 items, whatever percentage you want. If you want, you can just give discounts for one of them. If you don't want to give discounts for 2 or 3 items, you can just choose for 5. So for 5 you choose the discount that you want, and then for 2 and 3 you can just put the line, or you can just turn it off if you don't want to give any discount at all. But I think Discounts make people buy more from you if they like more stuff. And now, if you are a buyer and you want to make your own bundle from someone's wardrobe, you can just go to their profile or page or wardrobe, however you want to call it, press the shop button, then add whatever item you want there, 1, 2, 3, how many you want. And as you add the items, you can see the price on the left corner down, how much was normally and how much it's with discount. That's if they offer discount. When you are satisfied with your choices, just press continue, and then you can see the full price, the discount, what you're getting, and the total price with shipping. And then you can just press confirm and pay for it. That was it from this video. I hope you understood what I was talking about. If you have more questions, just leave them in the comment section down below or just text me on Instagram and I will answer all your questions. Otherwise, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!